Legal tips to stay out of trouble when dealing with NFTs. We spoke about different IPs in our last video. Now, one of the four main intellectual properties is copyright. Most legal issues between artists are copyright ones. We are going to answer some legal questions regarding the NFT world.
Hey, here's the thing about NFTs. It's a non-fungible token, you see. Non-fungible means that it's unique. There can only be one like you and me.
Can NFT be sued for copyright? Using intellectual property without the owner's permission is called IP infringement, and an NFT creator can be sued for that. Selling art using copyrighted characters is also an infringement unless you have the copyright owner's permission. Like, if you pick a CryptoPunk NFT and make a painting with it, it is IP infringement. Copying NFT is illegal because of copyright laws established to protect original owners and creators. If the copier is profiting off of someone else's work without their knowledge or permission, or passing it off as their work, then it's considered a copyright infringement. Can you sell someone else's art as an NFT? Using IP without the owner's permission is also called IP infringement, and an NFT creator can be sued for that. Selling art using copyrighted character is also an infringement unless you have the copyright owner's permission. But what happens if you try to sell something like Mona Lisa as an NFT? Does it have an IP? If yes, you can't. How does NFT prove ownership? You can easily prove you own it. Proving you own an NFT is similar to proving you have Ethereum in your wallet. For example, you purchase an NFT and the ownership of the unique token is transferred to your wallet via your public address. The token proves that your copy of the digital file is the original. You buy the intellectual property, you buy the address and the right to use that art. Should I trademark my NFT arts? Trademarking the name of your NFT is the most effective way to protect it and the brand identity you're building in your brand of properties represented by your non-fungible tokens.
Sell me this pen.
Can I sell an NFT I bought? Selling NFTs isn't just for digital creators. Some collectors trade from their collection of NFTs. If you have previously purchased an NFT from a creator or another collector on a marketplace, you can also list those for sale. You can use it as your profile picture or sell it since you own that IP. What happens when you get an NFT? Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey sold his first ever tweet as an NFT for more than $2.9 million. Essentially, NFTs are like physical collector's items, only digital. So instead of getting an actual oil painting to hang on the wall, the buyer gets a digital file instead. They also get exclusive ownership rights. Some NFTs have a physical form too. After you buy the digital version, the owner will send you the physical version. Can I sell prints of my NFT? Generally speaking, if you create an NFT, you have the right to sell the physical prints of the image, assuming you didn't sell or give away the rights. However, if you did not make an NFT and only purchased it, you don't have the right to sell prints of the image unless you have absolute rights from the creator. Can you sell the same NFT on multiple platforms? Speaking, yes, you can sell your NFT on different marketplaces. You can always put it up for sale, but once it gets selected on a platform, you cannot sell it again. Just like you cannot sell one house to 10 people, but you can put it up for sale with different realtors.
Mr. Daniels.
Mr. Daniels.
Look at this. What's this?
The numbers, they keep getting bigger and bigger.
The clicks are off the charts.
Yeah.
These are the top NFT marketplaces for creators to sell their NFTs. OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, Foundation, Atomic Market, Myth Market, Bakery Swap, Known Origin. You can just register your name and upload your work or search for arts to buy. If you want to know more about the relationship between IP and NFTs, you can check out Legomart's blog for related articles. Now, this might sound like a conspiracy theory, but with all these changes in our everyday lives and the technology growing faster than ever, do you think there will be a day that working and employment won't exist? Automation of workspaces will leave workers behind. Now, considering all this, would you leave your 9 to 5 to play games? I think it's better to start when it's not too late. Our mission is to make it easy for you, legally.